Hey everyone! Rocket, let's talk about the top 5 tech fields you should focus on in 2025. These are the game changers shaping the future. Let's dive right in. First, artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML are at the forefront of innovation. From self-driving cars to tools like ChatGPT, these technologies are transforming every industry. If you want a career that's future-proof, AI is the way to go. Second, cybersecurity. As technology advances, so do cyber threats. Cybersecurity professionals are the guardians of our digital world, making this field indispensable for the future. Third, quantum computing. Quantum computing is a game changer. Although it's still emerging, its potential to solve complex problems will revolutionize industries like cryptography and research. Fourth, sustainable technology. Sustainable tech is innovation with responsibility. From energy-efficient software to green data centers, this field is all about building a better future for our planet. Fifth, Web3 and decentralized applications. Web3 is redefining how we interact online. Decentralized platforms give users more control and privacy, making it a revolutionary shift in technology. So, which tech field inspires you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video.